President Museveni Agambirieba hamukorwa kuhumuza abasirikare ba UPDF okukurirwa mu State House nyomwebazyo omubahumwire barumu Major General Silva Kayemba, Brigadier General Charles Kisembo, Brigadier General Godad Businje, Brigadier General Fred Karara na Brigadier General C.A. Kasaija. Museveni asimire bakuru b'amahaba abo kuhereza ihanga n'umutima gumwe na mnongo kuratira Genero ziherya Uganda People's Defense Forces.
I congratulate you so much. Secondly, I thank God for blessing the UPDF. The Major General Kayemba was talking about the attitudes of people in New York, where he's based. Those people are appreciating UPDF because it acquired what other groups did not.
Minister w'ebyokwerinda n'abankazirwanaho Jacob Obothobos asimire ba Genero babo kwehayo kuhereza iherya UPDF erukozere cyangwa kutereza Uganda n'ensi gyetorire.
We are learning every day, and this is the military, like from the citations, is the only place that you join as you are and you come out different. People come with high school certificates and others come out with the PhDs. I worked in the civil service. It is a hurdle to get a second degree or certificates. So the visionary and strategic leadership that you've given to this country, and more so to the Uganda People's Defense Forces, is commendable, sir.
Secondly, Your Excellency, I would like, on behalf of my colleagues, to thank you for the leadership and guidance that you have provided to us as we reach this day. Your Excellency, you've given guidance and leadership to the people of Uganda, UPDF in particular, but I would like to let you know from my other side that I've been in the New York, the world is lying behind you, and Africa has been put before you.
That's how I persuaded the government. I said, I have been mobilizing our people to work for nothing, nothing or very little. For the last, since 1971, this is now like 54 years. We've been working either for no pay or low pay. But now that people are retiring, we must make sure that they retire with something reasonable. And that's why the government agreed to at last improve the salaries of the soldiers and officers and also the retirement package.
Abahumwire bamazuru mu mahemyaka 38, 39, 42 hamwe na 45 ngo kubakora tine umukoro gwicirwa n'abandi bantu bakuru nkahuda ureru Obason wa Veteran Affairs, umuhandiki mukuru wa Ministry of Defense Rosette Byenyoma, umudumizi w'amahega Uganda Agahitaka Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga n'abandi bingi. Gasha kwa Abdukarim Sengendo.